Okay, you guys, if you're looking for a dupe for MAC Cosmetics discontinued Odyssey shade, it's kind of a plummy, dark shade. I absolutely love it. But this is not MAC. This is actually Revlon, and I love it. It's creamier than the MAC version, but it still has that plummy, rosy undertone that I really like. I don't know if the lighting's good enough for this, but there's my lips. Got a cold sore, but kind of covering it up. It's a good lipstick and good price as well. Okay, this is Revlon shade Wine with Everything. This is a creamy lipstick. I don't usually suit reds, but I do like plummy, purpley undertones in my colors, so we're going to give this a go. And look at the see-through top on this. Isn't that neat? You can put your lipsticks up in your storage and see from the top what color it is instead of putting it this way. Let's try it. Very thick. Oh, it's not too red. Okay, my lighting is not perfect here today. It's very harsh, top down, not ideal for doing a lipstick review. Wine is not too red, not brick red, nothing too warm, but it's not too icy or cool tone either. It's kind of neutral. Wine with Everything? Yeah, I think this lip would go with everything, actually. This is more of a cream color. I prefer a frostier lip, and I think if you're over 50, well, that's not true. It really depends on you, but I've got very fine lips and the frost tends to look better on me, I find. But I'm very impressed with this wine. I will wear it. It's excellent.